If you own the Xiaomi Mi A3, you might have seen this update. If not, you're going to eventually. My name is Eric and I'll be sharing my experience after updating the Mi A3 to Android 10. While it's restarting, let's do a quick recap, shall we? It's been 3 months since I've been using it as my secondary phone, and the Mi A3 has been shaping up to be the best overall well-rounded compact smartphone that I've used. Complete with 4000 mAh battery, and Gcam works so well on this guy unlike the Mi Note 10. Gcam is always icing on the cake when it's stable. Yes, the display is a con and every 1080p display will probably serve your entertainment needs better, but as far as 720p displays go, it is not bad at all. It all went wrong when the first update hit in early March and was quickly retracted, but not without disturbing the good peace of Android One believers. Fingerprint stopped working amongst other issues. Xiaomi pushed updates 3 subsequent times to fix reported bugs, and now we're here. We finally have the Android 10 locked and loaded. The first thing I noticed is that we lost our Wi-Fi connection, and this isn't something I thought was an issue, but as it turns out, Wi-Fi signal loss is a recurring one, and what this means is that I suddenly lose Wi-Fi signal even in relatively close proximity, and then I have to turn off Wi-Fi and then on again in order to reconnect. This used to bug me out in my Redmi Note 4X that I used some years ago, and it's here again. The icons are big and too close to each other as the new default, but that's easily fixable. Just go to settings, display size, and reduce it. Voila, back to how it was on Android Pie, well-spaced icons. If you prefer it this way, we must be kindred spirits. At this point, I could actually feel the temperature go up, kinda like how it would while playing PUBG for 15 minutes, and the battery temperature is too high for a phone that isn't even connected to the internet. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's look at some of the new features. The dark theme is more extensive. On stock Android 9, the dark theme would only cover a few interfaces and it wasn't dark enough. Here we have our notifications, quick settings, Instagram and YouTube, etc. all in dark mode, the kind that saves battery life on OLED displays even by a teeny bit. Now let's try Face Unlock. Yep, that works, and fingerprint sensor works too. Some of you are just here for this. If this is your major concern, know that there are no longer fingerprint sensor issues. Now let's take a look at the gesture navigation. We have the traditional 3-button navigation, 2-button navigation which isn't fully gesture based. Now this is fully gesture based. You control the sensitivity too. This is the one that utilizes most of the screen, and with a compact phone like this, it's something you may feel compelled to use. For me, I'm not a fan of gestures on Android phones because it doesn't feel as fluid as it does on iPhones. Lastly, we have privacy. The security conscious folks out there might want to give it a second look. I have to say the heat is really coming on strong, but the good thing is this is the only time it happened in over 72 hours since updating the Mi A3. I put the phone down for a couple of minutes right after this video and it stayed cool while in use for 4 to 5 hours straight after that. I played PUBG and I felt the heat again, which is normal for gaming. The battery backup is just about the same, no issue there. Ultimately, I did not experience life-threatening bugs that render your phone unusable, so I think you should install the update because it's inevitable and that's why you got an Android One device to begin with. Of course, all of this is just my experience. Please make your way back here to share your own experience and possible fixes for update issues with me in the comments. Surely, other users will benefit from your feedback. Are you still wondering if the Mi A3 is a good phone to buy in 2020? Do check out my review. I'll be leaving a link up above and in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see what I'm up to. Do subscribe to more videos like this as it will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.